everyone. It's great to be here in Neath today to celebrate the opening of the Range store. We are proud to be supporting yet another business investing in our town centre after the addition of the leisure centre, library and gym complex, which have already led to an increase in the footfall here in Neath. The Range arrival brings a fantastic selection of products and opportunities for our residents and reflects the confidence and investment in Neath's future. It also follows the Loungers Group, which recently opened the Cadno Lounge just a few metres away. Personally, I want to extend a warm welcome to the team here at the Range and express our gratitude for choosing Neath as a location for their latest store. Their presence here contributes to our community and provides valuable job opportunities for our residents. So let's continue to support local businesses so that together we can ensure Neath Port Talbot remains a thriving and welcoming place for all. Thank you for listening.